I will be stepping into the role of a sales operations specialist. We start on the sales planning homepage, which is providing a series of templates allowing me to quickly start my planning process for that particular time period. Now, obviously, we can't build an entire sales plan in 2 minutes, but I'm going to show you some of the key building blocks to help get us started. After we go ahead and name our plan, our first step is to bring in existing sales data. This could be data on accounts, revenue, customer size of territories, TAM, and much, much more. Because sales planning is native to the Salesforce platform, we can easily pull in any CRM data or even data external to your Salesforce platform. Our next step is to segment our sales organization. Just like here at Salesforce, we go to market by segmentation according to region, by industry, as well as by company size. As you can see, it's very easy for me to write intuitive rules, allowing me to break up my business in a way that makes sense to align with our go-to-market strategy. Let's go ahead and focus on our enterprise segment that we've created. By clicking on that card, I'm taken to my segment homepage. This becomes my command center for the rest of our enterprise segment. From here, we can set territories, quotas, budgets, and much, much more, all from the single pane of glass in which all of my team members and collaborators can work from. Let's go ahead and wrap up our territory carving for this particular segment to help ensure we're ready to deploy our territories for next year. By opening up the territory alignment page, I'm immediately greeted with my current territory alignment here on the left, where I'm able to see the geographic distribution, but also any of the key metrics that I've brought into the planning process across my different territories, in our case, accounts, employees, TAM, etc. As you can see, these territories have seemed to become a little bit imbalanced over the course of the year. So let's go ahead and use some of our carving tools to make a quick change. By coming up and clicking Optimize, I'm able to select any key metric that I want to balance on. In our case, we're going to select TAM. I can also select balance as my main value driver in this particular optimization. And then in just a matter of a few clicks, I'm able to create a much more balanced and optimized territory approach for my enterprise segment. Now that our territory carve is complete, I'm ready to set my quotas and have my reps begin the account planning process. But now for the fun part. It's time to show you the money. Let's go ahead and build a compensation plan in Salesforce Spiff. Now, I'm stepping into the role of a global incentive compensation manager. When I log into Spiff, I can see key data points like total commissions, commissions by rep, as well as the health of my integrations across the various systems that I have included. To build or adjust a comp plan, we open up the Spiff Designer. Now, just like with sales planning, I can't build an entire compensation plan in 30 seconds. But what I want to show you is how intuitive the interface is, mimicking a spreadsheet-like experience, allowing you to make calculations and build rules all with simple clicks and not code. And because I'm doing this inside Salesforce, I can make these adjustments to our plan in real time, helping me to design and implement comp plan strategies in days, not weeks or months like other tools. Here you can see we've gone ahead and added an incentive for our reps to sell multi-year contracts. This allows us to ensure that we are incentivizing them for the behavior that we want to see. But let's go ahead and see this in action. One of the biggest gaps in the market is that commissions are disconnected from rep execution. So that's why Spiff is built right here into Sales Cloud. As a sales rep, here I am in the Sales Cloud opportunity, and the Spiff commission estimator is built right into our page, giving me visibility into how much money I'll make for this particular deal. It's end of quarter, and the customer told me they'd only sign if I offered a discount. So let's go ahead and enter in a 15% discount and see what that does to my commission statements. Before committing to my customer, I can have real-time visibility to the impact that will have on my planning and my commission for that particular period. In our case, it looks like we lost about $1,500 worth of commission. That's not good, but I just remembered that my management team is incentivizing us to increase our contract length. So if I go and turn this from a 12-month to a 36-month contract, let's go ahead and evaluate the changes that might have to my commission statement. Wow. Just like that, I'm able to see that I was able to pick up another $14,000 in commissions simply by stretching this to a 3-year contract. That's more like it. This is commissions tied to execution, helping to motivate sellers and drive the right behaviors. And now, if I want to see my commissions in aggregate, I can go straight to my seller dashboard. This is where I'm able to visualize any of that key information that's important to me from either a manager or even a rep's perspective. I can even drill into much more granular information, such as total commissions over that particular period, commission trends, year to date, or even total sales commissions. But if I want to drill in a little bit deeper, I can also go and check out any of those particular rules that have been associated with my particular user as a part of my selling motion. By drilling into any opportunity, I can see exactly what led to any of these key fundamentals of my payout, and even go ahead and trace further to understand why I got paid the way that I did, giving me trust and transparency right inside of a single platform for me as a seller and my administration team.